I believe that'll work.
That's awesome. That is awesome.
I think I can do something with that. Yeah, I can make that. That's pretty much where I wanted it. There's the line.
Yeah.
So that's how it went.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just flip it.
I know, but that is so cool.
That is actually alright. Tack it in place. And I can start doing something with it.
Yeah.
Right. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere.
All right.
Flammable.
Yeah, we know that.
There, now it's at least together.
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Oh, she's a beaut.
That is, man.
Oh yeah.
That just works out so good.
It will be everything it needs to be.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sometimes, since, you know, we're getting ready for SEMA, obviously, because that's where this car belongs. Sometimes you gotta just, you know, get it done.
That's right.
It's time constraints. You know, can't be late. We gotta
Busy.
Gotta get to Vegas.
That's right.
This is a concourse restoration for SEMA. I'm worried about these fine details.
Well, not to worry.
I know, not with this level of tomfoolery. Let me get like 4 more C-clamps on it, then it'll be SEMA ready.
Yeah.
Just want the hood to not blow off.
That's, you know, I'm thinking like with brakes and steering, that's probably right up there with that.
It is right up there. It's got to be top 6.
All right.
Oh, we're not done yet.
Woohoo!
I don't want to shape this piece a lot, so we're just gonna bend the crap out of it.
I like it.
This is some more of that brute force tomfoolery fitment. Oh yeah, that is my lack of. Oh, that one's not gonna.
Oh, goodness.
That's for alignment.
It's not more cowbell, it's more C-clamps.
Well, now it's a thing. You can't argue with that. You're like, well, shh, look at this. I mean, he has a lot of faith in his work.
That's right.
That's 20 minutes worth of clamps. You don't clamp something like that if you're not 100% sure about it.
I can see that.
This lets people know things are about to happen.
Serious
business is happening.
All right, we're the C-clamps.
You know you're doing quality fabrication when you start using the grounding clamp as a clamp. That'll be fine. It's fine.
Well, that's the shiniest piece of metal on there.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's what this is all about.
It's all about. The real trick is to just put a ton of heat in with reckless abandon, and it should stick.
I like it.
Yeah. You gonna warp that? Probably. Yeah.
Maybe.
You'll be alright, yeah. It's body lines.
All right, some deep modification here. It's right on it.
Yeah.
It is right on it. Oops.
Nice things. So it sits here.
It just right dead on it.